guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a little try-on haul featuring Commence. So if you're like me, you've seen Commence all over your TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and you're just like, there's no way. Looks way too good. Too good to be true, okay? So I felt the same way, but when they reached out to me and offered to send me some pieces, I was like, we'll try it out. So big shout out to Commence for partnering with me on today's video to give you a little try-on haul and tell you what it's all about. I went all out with sweaters, okay? But this haul is different than my typical normal stuff because I went with more statement sweaters, which I very rarely do because I am all about essentials, basics that I can wear a million different ways, and people aren't like, didn't you wear that last week? Not that I care, but I've always kind of done that, and I've recently started to be like, you know what, it's okay if my pieces have a little oomph to them, a little character, a little, you remembered what I was wearing and you'll remember it if I wear it again, and that's okay. So I wanted to share you kind of the statement-y sort of pieces that I picked up from Commence, and boy, do I have a lot to talk about. Okay, so this first cardigan, when I saw it out of the package, I was like, this bottom part looks a little weird, okay? Not gonna lie. Looks a little cinched in, weird. When you put this on your body, it is everything. This with a dark pair of jeans, going out, done. You're simple, it's easy, it's perfect, it's everything. It's so soft. It's got a deep V with this amazing little like gold detail in the front that kind of snaps closed. But this is awesome. If you're somebody who is looking for more of like an elevated sweater for a night out, whether it be drinks, dinner, whatever the case may be, this is so freaking cute. And also a lot of their stuff, if you like a style, comes in multiple different colors. So if you see a color here, you're like, brown's not my color, it's okay. They probably have black, they probably have other colors. But this to me, I mean, I'm in my brown era, okay? But this to me is everything. Of course, me showing it is doing no justice, so you're gonna look at the try on and see. But this is probably my favorite item that I found. So good. I just like the way it like hugs in, and the bottom is meant to be cinched in because it pulls apart and shows a little bit of stomach. But if you're wearing high-waist jeans, it shows the best part of your stomach, you know? You know. Okay, next up, again, brown. This little sheer turtleneck. Now, the first time I tried this on, I was wearing like a regular bra, and it was very like noticeable in your face that it's a sheer top. So I put a bralette under it the second time. I liked it better. But what would also be super cute is like a lacy sort of balconette bra under this would be adorable. I love this sheer sweater type of material though. I just think it's really sexy and cute, and again, paired with dark jeans. Love this turtleneck because it's not like suffocating, you know, big and chunky. It is just sheer perfection. I love how stretchy it is. It's very, very long, but I liked it tucked into a pair of jeans, but obviously you can wear it under. You can layer with this, of course, under cardigans and whatnot, but I really liked it as just like a thought of just a nice, dressier sort of basic turtleneck sweater tee thing, but because it's so thin, it just lays on your body very nicely. So I love this, and again, this came in many different colors as well, and it was really hard to choose, but brown has been my thing recently. Okay, let's move into a little sweater set because I thought this would be a cute little like travel fit, or even just like lounging around the house, school pickup, school drop off type of thing. It is a sweater sweat set. So these, I believe I got this in a size, what size did I get? Medium. This is just like a banded sweatpant, and then it's just literally sweater material all the way down into like a wide leg pant. These fit really nicely, and it comes with the matching little quarter zip. I was at a Giggly Squad podcast thing, and the girls were like, dude, Texas men love them a quarter zip, and I'm like, so do Texas women. I'm just kidding, but I love this. Now this set, you do have to pick one size, so I just sized up to a medium. That way it'd be oversized enough. I don't want anything like too hugging, And I wouldn't have ordered a different size in any of them, just so you know. But this is just the most beautiful, like oatmeal-y sort of color. Again, so incredibly soft. Love the zipper. You can zip it all the way up if you want. I feel like this can be mixed and matched. You can wear those sweater pants with a nice crispy white button up to kind of dress them up a little bit. You can wear this with some jeans to dress it down. Like there's so many different ways you can mix and match this, and I've seen so many people in sets like this, so I'm so excited to now finally have one. I feel like it's the elevated sweatpants. I mean, I'm still wearing sweatpants, but you know what I mean. If you want to look a little more put together, but still like comfy and cozy, if you guys do like a casual Christmas or anything like that, that is super cute. Okay, so I am someone that typically hates purple burgundies, but I'm converted, okay? I don't know what it was, why I didn't like it for so long, but now I want everything in this color. So I just wanted a basic, okay? We're starting basic, like I said. We're starting with just a classic, because it was like, if I'm introducing this into my closet, I wanna get the most wear of it, and I want something that I know I can wear with jeans a million different ways, a million different jeans, a million different ways, layered under things, layered over things, but it's just, this is just such a good basic. This is literally so soft. It is the perfect like neckline where you could put a little tee under it and it'll pop out, but it's oversized enough. I can't remember what size did I get this in. I got this in a medium as well. I would say if you want things to be oversized, just size up, but this is slightly oversized as it is, but the medium fits me perfectly. And again, this color tucked into dark jeans, are we getting the vibe? But also with white, as a winter white would be adorable as well. This color, this olive green, is by far my favorite color besides navy. It's a toss-up, but this is just such a good color. Now I own navy olivey sort of green sweaters, but I don't own anything that has this crazy little magnetic detail. This is so cool. Again, I don't know why I thought sweaters just had to be plain and boring and versatile and all that, because these can be fun too. And I love this cable knit. It's cable knit all the way around, which I find that sometimes companies that are more affordable will tend to just do cable knit on the front. Not this. Cable knit front, back, arms, all the things. This is slightly cropped. I wouldn't say it's cropped. I would just say it's normal length, I guess. Not long and not overly cropped. I love this high neck, like mock neck with this little detail. Is so stinking cute. Such a statement piece, and yeah, it's quite boxy, but I like that, and I like to tuck it in anyway. So this is so cute. I am so happy to have that. Next up, this sweater just reminded me of like a teddy bear hug in a sweater, okay? I love how chunky this thing is. This is just, I'm gonna live in this. Again, dark jeans, white jeans, a skirt, anything. Like a black skirt, like black and brown to me is everything. Like a black skirt with tights and boots with this. But again, just with dark jeans is probably I'm gonna wear the most. But again, this has the detailing front and back. It is so plush and thick. I don't know how I can put that into, like I can't wrap my hands around the entirety of the sweater. Like it is that thick and plush. And the weaving on it is so pretty, and it's very freaking soft. It's like a teddy bear. Next up, again, I'm back with my maroon. It's more of like a red maroon, but these sweaters that have these like button detailing type of thing, this is like one of my favorite styles right now. So this sort of like high neck, I love anything high neck with the buttons. It's like my button ups in sweater form. And it kind of has like the slit at the bottom that gives you a little bit of shape and kind of points in at the smallest part of your waist and then kind of flares out, which is so flattering. You can unbutton all these, but let's be real, I just pull it over my head. And this is so pretty. The button detailing on this, again, real metal, and they have like this sort of like ribbing detail onto them. Again, gorgeous. Can be dressed up, can be dressed down. This is just so freaking cute. So freaking cute. In fact, I bought it in this color. This is a different style though. This has like more of like the like buttons. Oh my gosh, does it match my earrings? Pretty close. This has more of a ribbed detailing. I love the color of this. Slight, again, little slit in the front to kind of emphasize the waist and give you a little bit of shape. I did size up to mediums in this. With button detailing like this on a sweater, since it is stretchy, it can tend to like pull and pucker at the seam, where I don't want that to happen, so I always just size up in my sweaters that have buttons and stuff like that on there. So overall, you guys, I don't know about you, but I'm convinced. I'm convinced that Commence is, it's real. It's that good. I'm serious. I was just as shocked when I got all these clothes. I was like, there's no way. It literally looks like a Pinterest board every time I see it. And I'm like, everything I look at, I want. And they have endless amounts. They have shoes, they have purses, they have winter wear, summer wear, they have it all, and it's really affordable pricing, and it's honestly really good clothes. So love how cute and trendy the pieces are, but also you can find your basics like that maroon sweater that I showed you as well. So no matter what you're looking for, Commence will probably have it. And yeah, I'm super happy that they reached out to want to work with me on today's video, because I love sharing with you guys new brands that are affordable and that are really as good as their Instagram and Facebook ads make them out to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know what your favorite piece was in the comments down below. I will have all of the exact details of the items that I showed you with my sizing and my general measurements in the description box down below. So be sure to check that out. And if you've ever purchased anything from Commence, let me know. What else do I need to try out? I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.